Have you ever wondered what adventure gold is? Well, let's unravel this digital mystery together. Adventure gold, often known by its shorthand AGLD, is a sparkling gem in the vast landscape of cryptocurrencies. It's not just another digital currency, but a unique utility token with a twist. You see, adventure gold is the lifeblood of the Loot Project, a game-changing, decentralized, randomized adventure game. Think Dungeons and Dragons, but on the blockchain, where every move you make is powered by AGLD. What sets adventure gold apart is that it's more than just a medium of exchange. It's an integral part of the game's ecosystem, fueling your virtual adventures and making the gameplay more immersive and exciting. This isn't just a coin, it's a ticket to a world of blockchain-powered fantasy, a passport to the frontiers of decentralized gaming. Now that you know what adventure gold is, let's delve deeper into its functionalities. What does adventure gold allow you to do in the world of cryptocurrency? Well, adventure gold, often abbreviated as AGLD, is more than just a digital currency. It's a token that opens up a world of possibilities within the Loot Project, a decentralized gaming ecosystem. So, how does it work? Imagine you're a player in this vast virtual world and you've just discovered a hidden dungeon. But to enter and explore, you need a mystical key. That key, in essence, is adventure gold. With AGLD, you can purchase in-game items and experiences, enhancing your journey through the game. It's like having a key to a treasure chest, or a ticket to an exclusive event. It's a way to unlock new adventures and experiences within the game. It's a currency, yes, but it's also a passport to a new level of gameplay. Clearly, adventure gold is more than just a coin. It's a passport to a new world of gaming. Why should you care about adventure gold? What's its potential? Adventure gold, or AGLD, is more than just another crypto coin. It's an innovative concept that's capturing the attention of gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike. This digital currency is designed to act as the in-game currency for the Loot Project, a unique and decentralized game built on the Ethereum blockchain. As the Loot Project gains traction, so does the interest in adventure gold. The concept of a crypto coin linked to a game is not new, however. Adventure gold takes it a step further by enabling the players themselves to drive the game's development. This player-centric model is a game changer, literally, and it's creating a buzz in both the gaming and crypto communities. The potential of adventure gold lies in its unique integration with the Loot Project. As more people engage with the game, the demand for AGLD could rise, potentially increasing its value. Moreover, the decentralized nature of the game means that the power is in the hands of the players, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem that could further drive the popularity, and by extension, the value of adventure gold. Additionally, as blockchain technology continues to permeate various sectors, the potential for adventure gold to be adopted in other gaming platforms, or even beyond the gaming industry, is not far-fetched. So, adventure gold holds immense potential. But what about its price? What can we expect in the future? Let's talk numbers. What's the future price prediction for adventure gold? Currently, adventure gold is making waves in the crypto world. But remember, the price of any cryptocurrency, adventure gold included, is influenced by a myriad of factors. Two of the most significant elements we'll consider today are the growth of the Loot Project and the overall crypto market trends. The Loot Project, the gaming platform that adventure gold is associated with, has been expanding rapidly. As more gamers discover and engage with Loot, the demand for adventure gold, the native token of the platform, is likely to rise as well. This increased demand could potentially push the price of adventure gold upwards. Now let's shift our focus to the overall crypto market trends. We're witnessing an era where cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly mainstream. As more people invest in and use cryptocurrencies, the overall market cap grows, and this growth could positively impact the price of adventure gold. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. These are just predictions based on current trends and developments. The world of crypto is volatile and unpredictable, so nothing is guaranteed. It's always important to do your own research and make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a gamer or a crypto enthusiast, adventure gold offers an exciting opportunity. It's a journey worth embarking on.